people are living in a clan, that dispute is family. Sindio? Na wanaweza maliza nyumbani, except where we have capital offenses such as murder, defilement, robbery with violence, among others. So hiyo muziketi chini ya mti na kudiscuss, hiyo ni ya kotini, sindio? There is a difference for ADR, kuna ya ADR na kuna ile lazima iende kotini.
Nyamira Mediation Center is our inaugural center and a benchmark for the country. I want to thank the county governor who has agreed to support it, and all the officials, the county commissioner, the senator, who is a colleague of mine in court, and others who have agreed to support. Let us support this center, and other people will be proud of it. I want people to travel from Mombasa, from Garissa, to come to Nyamira, to come and see an example of what a center can do in bringing justice closer to the people.
We want our people to get justice in their homes, in their offices, in their schools, in their offices, without necessarily, going to court.